Cabinet approves Unified Pension Scheme on 24 August 2024. The note says the Union Cabinet chaired by the Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi today approved the Unified Pension Scheme UPS. The salient features of the UPS are: 1. Assured pension. 50% of the average basic pay drawn over the last 12 months prior to superannuation for a minimum qualifying service of 25 years. This pay is to be proportionate for lesser service period up to a minimum of 10 years of service. 2. Assured family pension at 60% of pension of the employee immediately before his demise. 3. Assured minimum pension at 10,000 per month on superannuation after minimum 10 years of service. 4. Inflation indexation on assured pension, on assured family pension and assured minimum pension. Dearness relief based on All India Consumer Price Index for industrial workers as in case of service employees. 5. Lump sum payment at superannuation in addition to gratuity, 1/10 of monthly emoluments pay plus DA as on the date of superannuation for every completed 6 months of service. This payment will not reduce the quantum of assured pension. However, this UPS is applicable only for the central government employees, retirees, and not for PSUs, private sector employees, retirees who are getting EPS 95 pension. We should note this.